Hey guys, and welcome back to the HobbyNut 007 channel. Well, it's January the 14th. It's reveal day for the Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators group build. If you recall, Matthew over at Model Car Videos chose for this year's subject the 1955 monogram Ford truck or panel truck. And as you may recall, I chose the panel truck. And this is kind of a pre-reveal because I had a decal issue and I'm not going to get that resolved till tomorrow. I was going to wait to reveal mine until tomorrow when the decals were done, but I noticed a lot of people that didn't get them done, they're still getting them up by the deadline, and I thought, well, you know what, I need to have something up today, so I'm going to do that, and in a day or so I'm going to have the decals on it, and I'll kind of do another reveal of the main subject of it. So stick around, let me share this with you. Here is my 1955 Ford panel truck. Went with a little bit of a mild custom look. It's painted in TS26 pure white and TS41 coral blue. Now those were decanted and then shot through the airbrush. Just a light water sand with 2000 grit, and then went over it with some Novus number 2. And got a pretty good, and as you can see, I eliminated the door handles, the locks, a lot of the trim, and a lot of the markings. Eliminated the bumpers. Closed in where they were going to be. Just like I said, a mild custom. Did that in the back too. I don't think you can see the radiator up in there. Not yet, but I'm going to wait until I do the full reveal with the decals. You'll understand some of the colors and the look. You notice the Mexican blanket coverings over the seats. The dash is painted in coral and white to match the body. The engine, oh, and I also opened, as is, if there's a cowl vent, I'm going to open it. So, so it is open. The engine, I have 2 of them, and it was just so good looking, I did not put it in the car yet. I'm going to build another one and put it in there. This is, the master is from Miguel, and this one was given to me by Matthew with Model Car Videos. This is one of his prints of Miguel's masters. It's got the Mallory distributor and wires, and this is the Ford 460. I used a parts by parts coil that you see down there. Well, if it'll focus, and breather. I just like that real tall breather, so I decided to go with it. But the one that comes with this engine is really sharp. And the glass pack mufflers are spun aluminum from Scale Repros. I've got one more set of those, so I'm going to be putting those in the car too. Kind of do it like I did my Corvette, one in the car and then one beside it. It's just such a great looking engine. I just kind of hated to put it in there. And again, those back bumper was eliminated, and that was all filled in. Blacked out the back windows. And again, when you see the decals, I'll get those resolved tomorrow and get those on there. And when I do the other reveal, there's one other little ornament, well, let's call it, that'll be added to it as well, but I think it's going to look pretty good. In fact, I'm thinking about adding, and I'm going to wait till I get the decals on it to see how it looks before I do that. And if it fits the theme really good, then I may do the running boards in the Mexican blanket as well, but I'm not sure yet. But fun project. Matthew, thank you very much for choosing this. It's not one that I probably would have chosen or just built on my own, and that's the great thing about this kind of group build. And I love group builds, as I said in the last video anyway. It's just one of those things that there's just so many of them right now, and I'd love to get into them all. But I've got a lot on my plate this year, and I just hope I can not disappoint myself and you guys by jumping in here. But man, love that engine. Love that engine. Great job, Matthew. Great job, Miguel. But I look forward to getting the decals on it. It's going to be fun. You'll see what I mean once you see it. But it'll be kind of a channel promotional vehicle, but not for this channel. But we're going to have fun with it too. And that's what all of this is about. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I'm forgetting, guys. The chassis is pretty much just the stock. Oh, the wheels. Remember the chrome wheels I had? I was going to use that were Pegasus. They looked pretty good, but these artilleries from Bandit Resins and 3D Printing, K-Dog did an outstanding job with these things. These are 3D prints, easy to paint, and just really good looking tires and wheels. I've got several different sets of K-Dog stuff, and it's just absolutely outstanding stuff. I can't think of anything else, guys. I guess that's it. So head over to HobbyNut Models, check out Mark's inventory, pick you up some paint, supplies, kits. Pick you up one of the pickups. I tell you, all these videos I've been seeing all day long of the guys that have finished their videos, their 55s, whether it's the pickups or a couple of them had the panel trucks as well. Every one of them are absolutely outstanding stuff. Some beautiful stuff out there. And for you guys that didn't get them done on time or are a little behind, hey, no worries. Just get them done, get them posted as soon as you can. This has been a fun project. So guys, until the next time, God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Later, guys.